All right, I want to talk about I-601A waivers. So let's talk about this procedurally first. So the reason you would need an I-601A waiver is you have lived in the United States illegally for a period of 1 year or more, and you entered the country illegally. All right. So when you're doing an I-601A waiver, step one is having a visa petition filed for you by a family member. It could be a spouse, it could be a child, it could be a parent. You get that filed. About a year later or so, you'll get that approved, hopefully, and at that time, you do your I-601A waiver. Now, when you're doing an I-601A waiver, you need to show that it will cause your spouse or parent who is a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, it will cause that individual extreme hardship if you're not allowed to stay and live in the United States. Once you file that, you're probably going to have to wait somewhere between 2 and 3 years for a decision on that waiver. And hopefully it's approved. And if it's approved, then you go back to your home country. It would be Ciudad Juarez if you're from Mexico, San Salvador if you're from El Salvador. It could be, whatever country you're from, you would go back there to process your immigrant visa/green card. I want to go over what extreme hardship looks like and how do we prove it and how do we get the case actually approved. But let's do that in a separate installment, and we'll go over all that stuff and how to make your case more approvable and more likely to succeed. Take care.